So very good morning. Today we will discuss about gearbox, and my today's gearbox discussion outlines is a need of gearbox. First we have to discuss the need of gearbox, and then classification of gearbox, and the third one is the components of sliding mesh gearbox, and the last one is working principle of sliding mesh gearbox. If we discuss about the need of gearbox, why we will use gearbox? First, it will provide the different speed of the vehicle. Second one, it will provide the neutral position of the vehicles. And the third one, it will provide the large torque to the vehicle during starting or during the running of the vehicle. And fourth one is it will give the reverse direction to the vehicle. If we will discuss about the classifications, gearbox are classified in basically three categories. One is manual transmission gearbox, second one is semi-automatic transmission gearbox, and third one is automatic transmission gearbox. Again, manual transmission gearbox classified into three categories. One is sliding mesh gearbox, second one is constant mesh gearbox, and third one is synchro mesh gearbox. So in figure, the different component used, particularly in sliding mesh gearbox, starting from clutch shaft, then main shaft, counter shaft, gear shifting lever, clutch gear, first, second and third gear, idler or reverse gear. So here this one is clutch shaft, and this is counter shaft, and this is main shaft, output shaft or main shaft. And this one is gear shifting lever, and this is clutch gear, and this is first gear, and this one is second and third gear, and this one is idler or reverse gear. Now the power transmission starts. Suppose the power from engine, it will comes into the input or clutch shaft. Through the clutch gear, it will come to the counter shaft. Then through the gear 2, it will transmit the power so that wheel will rotate. If we use suppose third gear, what we have to do? We have to shift the lever by using gear shifting lever. We have to engage third gear with the counter shaft gear so that power will come from the main shaft to counter shaft again to the output shaft. Similarly, for reversing the vehicle, we use idle gear or reverse gear. This one is idle gear or reverse gear. When we use reverse gear, suppose by using gear shifting lever, this gear, suppose number 5 gear, will mesh with the idle gear or reverse gear. In this time, what happens? The clutch shaft power, it will come from closed shaft to counter shaft, then again main shaft, and then main shaft through the idle gear, so that the direction of motion in between the counter shaft and main shaft there is another gear, so that it will change the direction of motion of the wheel, so that it will move reverse direction. So the idle gear is used to move the vehicle in reverse directions. In a neutral position, what happens? The gear changing lever, suppose placed in the neutral position, so that the power will come from engine to clutch shaft, clutch gear, then counter shaft, then it will in the neutral positions, so that the power transmission from counter shaft to main shaft it will break, so that there will no possibility of transmission of power from the engine to wheel. In first gear, it will give the speed ratio, it is 3:1. The main shaft gear is more than the number of teeth in the main shaft gear is more than the number of teeth in the counter shaft gear, so that the counter shaft gear will rotate 3 times than the main shaft gear. That's why the speed ratio is 3:1. Similarly, for the second gear, the counter shaft and main shaft, the gear ratio is 2:1, so that the speed ratio also 2:1. And third gear, it is almost 1 and 1, the same number of teeth in the counter shaft and main shaft, so that the speed is same, 1:1. Already discussed, in between the counter shaft and main shaft there is another gear, that is idler or reverse gear, so that it will change the direction of motion of the vehicles, so it will move back. So thank you, we'll see again.